PEC question and answer number 11. General purpose branch circuit means A. A branch circuit that supplies outlets for lighting. B. A branch circuit that supplies two or more receptacles or outlets for lighting and appliances. C. A branch circuit that supplies only one utilization equipment. D. A branch circuit that supplies only one lighting units. Based on the code definition, branch circuit, general purpose. A branch circuit that supplies two or more receptacles or outlets for lighting and appliances. Therefore, the answer is B. The branch circuits are categorized into the following. General purpose branch circuits that supplies a combination of receptacle outlets and lighting. Appliance branch circuit supplies energy to one or more small appliance outlets, and there are no permanently connected luminaires. Individual branch circuit is installed in permanent locations such as an electric range, a clothes dryer, or an air conditioner. Lastly, branch circuit, multiwire, consists of two or more ungrounded conductors that have a voltage between them and a grounded conductor that has an equal voltage between it and each ungrounded conductor of the circuit.